Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today we have some tire work to do. So this is our Sears lawn tractor, and if you looked at, I believe last week's video, we showed you how to change the drive belt in it. But today we got to fix the flat tire. Now, of course, the proper way to do this would be to remove the tire, find the leak, properly plug it from inside, and put it all back and you're ready to go. But in this case, you can see we're actually just going to use the tire sealant slime. This stuff has its benefits and also its downfalls. It's not really the best solution, especially on your everyday car, because when you go to change it later on or a garage change it, it's just a mess. The stuff makes a mess. But for our purposes here, for a lawn tractor, it's going to be perfectly suitable fix and not going to be a problem. So we're just going to show you how to do it today, because there are several different types of the slime you can get as far as the application. Some of them are in an aerosol can. You just hook right on there and fill the tire up with air while the slime is being dispersed into the tire. In this case, you have to remove the valve stem and you pump the slime in and then put the valve stem back when you're done, and then turn the tire to get the slime all around. So anyways, let's just get to it and show what you need to do. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just jack the tractor up just to take the weight off it. Probably not necessary in this case, but we're going to do it anyway, because we're also going to do it without removing the tire from the tractor. And I want to be able to spin the tire to get that stuff moved around. So, first thing we're going to do is take off our cap, of course, and then you need to remove the valve stem. And you can do that with a tool like this. Lots of times when you buy the sealant, different ones come with a plastic version of this, because this does a lot of other stuff too. It cleans the threads, takes the valve stem out, does some other stuff, and things like that. But we're just going to use it to remove the valve stem. And the reason why you want to move the valve stem in this case, because the way this goes in, it would just plug this thing all up. Set that aside in a safe place. Then you want to go ahead and just take this hose and stick it on top of your valve. And then you're just going to pump the stuff in. But it does actually have a chart on here, depending on tire size and how much to put in it. Take a look at your particular situation. Look at the instructions to make sure you put the right amount in. I know it's not a fast leak because it'll stay up for, I don't know, maybe a week or so. Once you've pumped in the required amount, or what you think might be right, you've got to reinstall your valve stem so you can get some air in this tire. And one thing I would do too is just roll it around so that stuff can get all over the place. If your leak happens to be on the side, this method's not going to work. You really need to remove the tire so you can roll it around and get the fluid to the side. So I really don't know where this leak is. It's a really slow leak, so we're just hoping that this fixes it. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and reinstall the valve stem. I would definitely do things totally different if it's a vehicle you're driving on the road. But for a lawn tractor, I can cheat. It's not so crucial. It's not like it's going to blow apart on me and fly off. Just mowing the lawn with it. Get some air in here. Put that down. See what we got. So in my case, I'm pretty well done with it. I mean, it'd be best to take this thing out for a ride and get this tire moving a lot. And then, like I said, if the leak happens to be on the side walls or something where that stuff's not going to get to very well, because you're only driving this thing at low speed, it's not really whipping that stuff around for it to find the actual leak, then you may have to actually take it off. But just spin it around a little bit, get that stuff all over the place. Assuming that stuff makes its way to the spot that's leaking, project done. If not, you might have to reapply, if you didn't put enough stuff in. I actually had a tire that was really bad once. When I put it in, you could actually see, oh, look right here. That could be a drip. Okay, that was a drip, but the one I did, you could actually see green little spots all over the tire where it was coming out. It was just weather cracked so bad. It did end up sealing the tire, but certainly wouldn't drive on the road with it. Alright, well, thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. This is just a quick tire, not repair, I would say just a quick fix to get you by using the tire sealant green slime. And this is the manual pump version, not the aerosol can that would actually fill your tire as you were doing it. So I'll put a link down in the description for this, and I'll even put a link for one of these tools down there too, for removing the valve stem. These are super handy for lots of different things around the house. So have a great day. Thanks for swinging by, and we'll see you in another video.